Greater visions. What up, Justice? Let me talk my shit. Look, I'ma sing my song till y'all niggas get the picture. A locked-in studio sets going to grab some liquor. I want my dead presidents to get a little thicker. Get your baby girl some insurance, cause I steady hit her a little quicker. My flow stiffer. They don't wanna see me on. I don't argue, but I beg to differ. I'm taking this shit to a whole new level. A young rebel on the mission, so you better be careful. Just wait till I get settled. Foot connected to the pedal. Surprised to see me here. Now y'all salted like a fucking pretzel. Who the fuck is you? My niggas got bullets and they willing to show the proof. For these niggas that think they bulletproof, it's 50 shades of gray, so I'ma grab the goose. I'm screwing all of these bitches, so ain't no getting loose. Just call a truce, I'ma skip back to my loo. These niggas thirsty for these hoes, so how they think they got the juice? I'm out for presidents to represent me, so I hope you don't think me on the feature is free. People take favors for granted and I can't have that. I make you feel my bars without rewinding back, so nigga honor that. Let's go. Greater visions, trying to see the better things of life. I got hungry, so I cooked up a mixtape in one night. I break the negative and the hatred down with a hezzy. Always burning bread with my niggas, that's some dead presents.
Look, I'm out for presidents to represent what I couldn't represent on my own. The feeling of just wanna be left alone. Counting these pros, the only thing that cheer you up when you out in the cold. Bring a warmth to a nigga's soul when opposites fold. In this asylum going crazy, just wanting to grow. But ain't well enough on my own, so I'm stuck in this place, facing this mind-boggling race for pleasant escapes. But failure still clouding my mental, thinking you good. Every day hit with a cloud of new issues. Said I pack me a tissue to wipe away the tears from all the fears while growing my skills with my niggas. The only ones I see around in the following years is the villain nation with hard work come dedication, or writing trying to figure it out. So much to lose, but in my mind it's a reasonable doubt. I take a few steps forward, then some back, man, I'm down, shit, I'm out. I'm out for presidents to represent me, but when I look at it, I'm throwing my presidents in the breeze. Losing this cheese, gunshot that took me to my knees. Fuck it, time for the re-up, stacking all of this cheese up, nigga. I remember when none of them would believe us. Now ceilings taller than bleachers, bullets and doors to greet us. Made back curtains pulled so none of them boys can see us. Let DP do the talk and them other niggas can leave us. Yes.
Presidents to represent me. Presidents to represent me.